Good afternoon, I want to introduce you to my new home assistant. This robot vacuum cleaner is called Gutrend Smart 300, and it knows how to vacuum, but still able to mop the floor and vacuum at the same time. And it can do it automatically, with the creation of map of the house. Let's look at what comes with the robot. Here is the robot at its charging station. It can come to it by itself. Here's its dry cleaning container. It walked through the big room this morning. This container comes with an additional filter, and a napkin like those intended for glasses and displays. Here is the charging station itself. The robot connects to it with these plates. It has 2 brushes, 2 wheels for moving and 1 for turning. And this is its working part, with which it collects dust and puts it in a container. The kit includes 2 more replaceable brushes and another roller for collecting dust, but of a different type. I have not used it yet, and a cleaning brush. And this is what a wet cleaning container looks like. First, the robot collects dust, and then wipes, so the rag gets dirty a little, and it does not carry lumps of dust. Also in the set there is another rag. And the robot's control devices. The first is the cleaning area limiter. You don't have to close the doors to make the robot wash in one room. Batteries are also included. In addition, there is a remote control, with which you can turn the robot on, off and set the cleaning schedule. I have a robot that cleans manually. I free the floor, let the robot in, it does its job, and then I throw things on the floor again. Now let's discuss its physical parameters. Its height is 7 centimeters, so it does not pass everywhere. At least you don't have to go and wash under the bed anymore. And about passability, that's the threshold formed by the door on wheels. He copes. The legs of the ironing board are high enough, he bypasses and does not climb on them. But with the dryer there are some difficulties. If it runs over them at an angle of 90 degrees, it rolls over the leg, at another angle it gets stuck. For efficient and fast cleaning, it is important to position the robot correctly before cleaning. Ideally, in the corner of the room, so that the robot runs parallel to the short edge of the room. The robot will not go straight for a long distance, and a long room will be divided into several parts. It will take longer, and given the irregular shapes of the rooms, their connections and the different cabinets, tables and sofas there, it may even forget to wash somewhere. You yourself will then scold him, and the robot is really cool. If it goes everywhere, you can even eat from the floor. With 50 squares flat and no wool animals, the robot copes in an hour. No need to bend your back, your job is only to clean and charge the robot after cleaning. But before the first cleaning, be sure to wash the floor yourself, and then the robot will show you who is a professional here. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ask, I will definitely answer.